Hey everyone, today we have mystery package from Wish. So basically, I think it was in July, I did an order for 10 items. I know what I've got, but the good thing is you guys don't know what I've got. So today I'm going to be opening it for you to see what we've got. So here it is. So we're just going to open it up now and we'll see what's in here and how they've wrapped it. Now because of the COVID, we'll just quickly do a spray. Okay, so I see that we've actually got 6 items. So we've got 6 items. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So we've got 6 items. Let's start off with this one. Now this one says rivet. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so we've got some screws. So we've got screws. As you can see, we've got some screws and we've got little rivets. So they're spikes for like leatherwork and stuff. So I got some of them. So I thought that would be pretty cool. Okay, we got this package right here. Let's see what this one is. I believe this is the exact same one. Yep. I think I've got 2 lots of screws and rivets. That's the second lot. Okay, so that's them ones. So we've got 2 lots of them. Okay. What is this one? Painting thing. This one, I'm not sure what this one is actually. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. This is so this is like a mirror, and what you do is you put it on next to your phone. So you got your phone there and you got this. So you put the image from the phone onto here and then you can draw it on. So there's just heaps of papers and stuff in here, I believe. Yep. So that's just a bit of glass, I believe. And then we got the book of whatever you do with it. So that's that stuff there. And then we've got the brackets. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, let's pick this one. So there's this one. I reckon there might be 2 things in here. Yes, I reckon there is. I know what these are. You guys will get a kick out of this. I mean, I saw these on Wish and I was like, I have to get these. So basically, these are pillowcases and they're of none other than Bray Wyatt, the Fiend. They look very cool, I will say. So they're them. And then I think it's the same on the other side. It is. So they're actually very cool. And then we got another one of the same thing. They are amazing. Wow. So you can put pillows in them or that. And they actually look really damn good. I wasn't sure when I grabbed them how good they would look, but they look amazing. Okay. Okay, let's see what this package is. Okay, so I've got 2 mystery things. I've got a mystery figure and I've got another thing. This is, I think, the mystery figure I've got. Now, this was obviously like a mystery box. I had no idea what it was when I got it. Okay, it's a character of some sort. So it's some anime character. Okay, so that's the mystery thing I got. Okay, this is the last package. Okay, this is, I know exactly what this is. I thought this would be a lot bigger actually. This, apparently, is a rug of some sort. It's like a mat. This is what it is. It is like a bloody pentagram mat. That is very cool. So, that's, I believe, five items on the wish. I'm still waiting for the others. When I get the others, I'll do another video. So, thank you for that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time for more Wish unboxing mystery stuff.